I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by tuning controls. Lower ADS relative to hipfire so aim recovers when you strafe. Once done, bind slide or crouch to a thumb button to cancel sprint quickly. Practice 2 to 3 short step zigzags in the firing range, moving left-right in small arcs while maintaining fire rhythm. Keep your crosshair near head level to reduce corrective aim, and use a simple SMG or AR so recoil doesn't mask movement errors. Now focus on timing. Change direction every 3 to 6 seconds so your movement is unpredictable but controllable. Make sure to mix sprint cancel into a slide to create abrupt angle shifts. That breaks enemy tracking. Once you change direction, snap briefly into ADS for 1 to 3 bullets to reward hits, then break off to strafe again. This alternating pattern keeps your crosshair manageable and forces enemies to reset aim. Finish by chaining your zigzags into natural cover. Peek, shoot, and retreat 1 to 2 meters to force misses, then re-engage. Use crouch or a quick prone as a final micro-adjust when an enemy lines up shots. It changes hitbox timing. If you find you're being tracked consistently, reset by full sprinting out of line of sight, reposition, and reinitiate your zigzag pattern. Troubleshoot by lowering sensitivity slightly if aim overcorrects, and practice in bots until rhythm feels natural.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.